I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype. Throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. Yeah, when you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
Hi guys, my face is a mess and I just want to get right into this video. So I am starting off with this L'Oreal mattifying primer, and I'm just going to rub this all over my face, as this is the base for our foundation, or you can say makeup. Next, I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty Pro filter and just blending it out with my foundation brush. I have been using this foundation probably about over a year now. It's been alright, but I'm thinking of trying NARS because I've heard a lot of good reviews about it. So yeah, let me know what foundation is really good for you guys, because I need something new. So now I'm using this concealer from Makeup Revolution and just applying that under my eyes, my chin and down the bridge of my nose. And I like to mix my concealers just because I find it looks a lot better, because sometimes I can look too washed out. Now I am just blending out this concealer with a smaller foundation brush. Something different for a change, I will be using this setting powder from Makeup Revolution to bake my face. Now, let me just say, I remember buying a setting powder from Makeup Revolution and I had the worst experience ever, like just applying it to my face, and I think I left on probably like for 10 seconds, and all my days the powder wouldn't brush off, it just stayed in one place. Honestly, I look like Casper the Ghost, but now that I picked up a new setting powder from Makeup Revolution, it's not been that bad since, and it's pretty much easy to swipe off. Next, I'll be using this Morphe bronzer in the shade Supreme that I absolutely love. I use this bronzer to contour my nose under my bottom lip just to make it appear a little bigger, and then using the same bronzer, I will also use this as an eyeshadow just to give my eyes some definition. It's about time that I go ahead and swipe the setting powder off my face, because you don't want to be looking like some kind of ghost. Another product that I really like is this eyeshadow that I am using as a blush from Kiko. It's like a brick red coral colour that I find that complements my skin. So I'll link it down in the description below. The lashes I'll be using is from Empress Revolution, and I did my lashes off camera just because it's a very long process. And for some reason my camera decided to stop on me during this process, but yeah, as you can see, I am highlighting my face, and then I am using a black eyeliner just to go over my beauty spots that I hid under my foundation. Now I am wiping off that excess makeup that I have on my lips, and then I am going to go back into the primer to prime my lips. Then I am going to line my lips and apply my favourite lipstick as well as lip gloss. And then lastly, into the setting spray to set my makeup in place. Now that my makeup is done, I am now sorting out my hair because it's a mess, and my hoodie is a mess, covered in makeup just lovely. Oh my days. Anyways, I am dividing my hair into 2 sections just to make it easier to work with, and then I've gone in with this detangling brush to detangle my hair. Once my hair has been detangled, I'll just spray my hair with water to bring the curls back, because this is a deep wave unit. I want it looking like deep wave. And by the way, this edge scarf is also from Empress Revolution, along with the hair bonnet I was wearing. So my hair is now laid, my makeup is now set. It's time to move on to the outfit. So because I am not really going anywhere apart from Sainsbury's to get some shopping done, I thought, why not wear a tracksuit from Pretty Little Thing? I love how it has the slogan on the hoodie as well as the bottoms. It just gives me details. Like, I'm loving this whole look. Anyways, we have come to an end to this get ready with me video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I see you all in my next video.